For SaaS businesses, managing recurring revenue is not just about charging customers. It's about automating billing, reducing churn, and keeping finance and product data in sync. Two of the leading tools for that are Stripe Billing and Chargebee. Stripe Billing is built directly into the Stripe payments ecosystem. It gives SaaS teams an easy way to handle subscriptions, invoices, and payment collection all in one place. The beauty of Stripe Billing is its simplicity. It is developer-friendly, but also approachable for non-technical teams. You can set up recurring payments, manage trial periods, offer discounts, and automatically handle prorations when customers upgrade or downgrade plans. Stripe's biggest strength is its deep integration with payments. Because it is built on top of the Stripe platform, you get global payment support, tax handling, and automatic card updates right out of the box. Revenue data, invoices, and receipts sync seamlessly, reducing manual work for finance teams. For early-stage SaaS startups, it is a clean, modern way to start billing customers without heavy setup. Stripe Billing also supports automation through its APIs and dashboard workflows. You can create custom billing logic, trigger webhooks when invoices are paid, or build your own customer portal. If your company wants a simple yet powerful billing engine that connects directly to product and payment systems, Stripe Billing keeps things smooth and scalable. Now let's look at Chargebee. Chargebee is purpose-built for recurring revenue operations at scale. It sits on top of your payment gateways like Stripe, PayPal, or others, and acts as a full subscription management layer. That means it handles billing logic, invoicing, proration, revenue recognition, and reporting all in one centralized system. Chargebee's strength lies in flexibility and control. You can manage complex subscription models like multi-tier pricing, usage-based billing, or custom enterprise quotes without writing custom code. It supports multiple currencies, tax regions, and payment gateways, making it ideal for SaaS companies operating internationally or across multiple product lines. Beyond billing, Chargebee adds depth to revenue operations. It integrates with CRMs, accounting tools, and analytics platforms, giving finance and sales teams a unified view of revenue data. Features like dunning management, coupon tracking, and revenue recovery tools help reduce churn and improve cash flow. It is designed for teams that need precision, reporting, and compliance-ready structure from day one. If you want a lightweight, developer-friendly system that evolves as your product grows, Stripe Billing is the better fit. But if you want a dedicated revenue management platform that can handle complex pricing, compliance, and multi-gateway setups, Chargebee delivers enterprise-grade power. Both are excellent for SaaS billing. The right choice depends on whether you prioritize speed and simplicity or depth and control.